Hi guys, I will teach you about crayfish. Mabilisan lang to guys. So, meron tayo ditong craylings na tinatawag. So, this is maliit pa kung makikita nyo. Next naman, we have the juvenile stage. This is about 2 inches or less. So, ayan guys. Ito yung itsura ng juvenile. Next naman, we have the female. Paano nga ba i-identify ang female crayfish? Which is meron siyang gonopod. So, makikita nyo sa pangalawang legs niya, may gonophore doon or yung dalawang bilog. So, ayan. So, wala rin siyang markings ng red claw kung mapapansin nyo kasi female siya. So, next naman, we have the male crayfish. So, paano ba i-identify ang male crayfish? Meron siyang bright red na claws. At pangalawang indicators na male ang crayfish ay meron siyang appendix masculinus or yung reproductive niya, which is itong nasa pinakababang part niya. Ayan guys. So, I hope may natutunan kayo. Follow nyo naman ako for more.